Wednesday again, can't believe it. I don't know where the weeks go. This week it's been a really good week actually. Yesterday I met the mum of someone I used to tutor and we went out for lunch, which was really lovely. Um, and I also did a workshop in the morning, which about the times tables. I don't know if you've seen the adverts for it, but I'll be doing it again next Tuesday if you want to join us. Um, basically the gist is that I go over how we learn tricks that you can use for the individual times tables, and then I can give you some ideas for different games and things that you can use at home to support your child with learning the times tables. Um, it's really busy with lessons, really, really busy, and so it's you feel like you're back on that conveyor belt again, and kind of like lessons, 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 lessons. But I love it, and the kids I'm working with again are brilliant. So yeah, it's going to be a good year, I think, with this year's students. As good as last year's? I hope so, because last year's kids really were phenomenal. What else have we done this week? I've also started putting together an accredited course. There's going to be two. The first one is supporting those who are wanting to become tutors. The idea is it will complement the membership group, and then eventually it will be the training that the franchise will be built upon. And then additionally to that, there will be a second course, which will also be part of the franchise training, but that's down the line. And this will be for those who are working with children with different learning styles. And so that course will be kind of like to support you in supporting them. So that's been, I guess, our biggest thing this week. But yeah, it's been a really, really good week. And hopefully, long may it continue. Next week, I'm on a training course in Birmingham, which will be brilliant. I really enjoy going to those. So, yeah, I hope your week has been as good as mine. Have a great one and see you soon.